So, what is a dinosaur?
So dinosaurs are lizards, like the ones we have today, but there's differences between modern day lizards and dinosaurs.
Really? How are they different?
So the differences can be seen in the skulls. Modern day lizards are either anapsid or synapsid, which means they have either 1 or 2 holes in their skull. Dinosaurs are diapsid, which means they have 3 holes in their skull. The age of the reptile was the Mesozoic era, 252 until 66 million years ago. This is split into 3 distinct time periods: Triassic, Jurassic and Cretaceous. Within each time period there were different dinosaurs and the Earth looked different. First is the Triassic.
So you said the world looked different. What does that mean?
So at the start of the Triassic period, all of the world's continents were one. This is called Pangaea. Here you can see where all of the modern day continents fit within Pangaea.
What's that dinosaur?
So this is Coelophysis. This is one of the first known dinosaurs to stand on only 2 legs. This is due to its adapted hip and ankle joints. This, combined with its lightweight bones, makes it a successful predator.
So, was there anything apart from dinosaurs alive?
Some insects were alive, such as dragonflies. These were fed upon by small gliding reptiles such as this Charopticteryx. This was the ancestor to the well-known pterodactyl. There were large herbivores around at the time as well, like this large plateosaur. They could grow to the size of a London bus, but averaged the size of 7 metres.
So what's next?
So next is the Jurassic period.
So, has the world changed since last time?
Oh, I know this. It's split into Laurasia and Gondwana.
Not quite, but close. It splits into Laurasia and Gondwana land, surrounded by the Tethys Sea. During the Jurassic period, we saw some of the largest dinosaurs known to live, such as this Brachiosaurus and Diplodocus. They stripped leaves from some of the tallest trees. These giants were called sauropods.
So, could anything hunt them?
Well, this Allosaurus used to hunt in packs to take down juveniles, but it wasn't easy. Diplodocus could whip its tail at supersonic speeds to either maim or kill.
Isn't this the first dinosaur with powered flight?
It is, but there's 2 theories as to how this occurred. Dinosaurs either evolved to fly down from trees or they flew up from the ground. Scientists are still debating this though.
So, what does the world look like in the Cretaceous then?
Well, the northern and southern hemispheres are now breaking apart, and the continents we know today are more defined. Another change in the Cretaceous period was that flowers started to appear.
Oh, cool. But what about the dinosaurs?
Okay, well if you insist, we'll talk about the Tyrannosaurus rex, probably the most famous to exist and one of the largest carnivores, with an impressive length of 12 metres and a weigh-in of 9 tonnes.
But it wasn't the biggest, was it?
Okay, we'll get to that in a minute.
So, what did the T-Rex eat?
Well, its prey is probably just as famous. This was the Triceratops, a fearsome 3-horned herbivore.
So, what is it that's bigger than T-Rex then?
Well, here's one of them. This is Gigantosaurus. While T-Rex was 12 metres long, this was a massive 14. However, don't get fooled by the name. This is Spinosaurus. It was a massive 18 metres long and the biggest carnivorous dinosaur to ever live. But welcome Argentinosaurus, the largest land animal to ever walk this earth, with a length of 35 metres and a weigh-in of 88 tonnes.
So why aren't they around today?
Well, sadly, all good things must come to an end.
So, how did it happen?
Well, the first theory is that a series of volcanic eruptions released toxic gases, lava and ash into the atmosphere, blocking out the sun.
So what was the second theory?
That a meteorite smashed into the Earth's surface, causing ash and dust to fill the atmosphere and again block out the sun. Whichever theory was correct, it ended the age of the dinosaurs.